Hello everyone, myself I am Narsim Prasad. I am a student of SC Bangalore. In this video, we will discuss about geographical indication. Okay, let's start the video one by one. Index. In this video, we will discuss about introduction and acts, law, rules, petition to GI, also known as geographical indication. Let's discuss one by one. First, introduction. GI, also known as geographical indication or the protected through a various national and international laws and regulations. Here are the some key aspects of legal framework related to the geographical indication. Let's discuss one by one. First, strip agreement. The agreement of the trade related to aspect of intercurricular property rights. It's known as TRIPS. Trade related aspect of intercurricular property right is known as TRIPS. It is an international agreement administered by the World Trade Organization, also known as WTO. TRIPS includes the provision for the protection of geographical indications. Members of WTO means we know not, World Trade Organization, are required to provide the legal main for the protection of the GIPS. GIS. GIPS means you are also known as geographical indications. That is the part of TRIPS agreement. Next one is Lisbon's agreement. What is Lisbon agreement? The Lisbon agreement for the protection of application of the organ and their international resignations provide protection for the applications of origin. It is administered by the World Intellectual Property Organization, WIPO. Okay, it is called Lisbon agreement. Next agreement is Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Properties. What is this Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Property? The Paris Convention is an international treaty. It is an international treaty that addresses the intercurricular property, including the protection of geographical indication. Note the point, geographical indication. What is the protection of? Main work is protection of geographical indication. It provides the framework for the protection of the industrial property, protection of industrial property, including the patents, trademarks, and indication of source. It is responsible for the industrial properties including patents and trademarks and including also sources. It is the Paris Convention for the protection of industrial property. Next, EU regulation of geographical indication. What is EU? European Union. Okay, I think so. Within the European Union, I said that EU means European Union. There are the special regulation governing the protection of geographical indication. For an example, regulation of EU number 1151 bar 2012. It means in 2012 number case number is 1151 and acts at it establishable on system of quality schemes for the agricultural products and food suit. The EU regulation of geographical indication is that establishing a system of the quality of scheme for agriculture production and food stuffs. Okay. Next topic is national legislation. Legislation, sorry. What is national legislation? Many countries are enacted national law of protection, geographical indications. These laws were from country to country but generally aims to prevent unauthorized uses of a names associated with specific geographical location for the certain product. You understand that? Now, many countries have respected many national laws to protect the geographical indication. These laws varies from country to country. Some country have different laws, our country have different law. It will varies. Based on they customize and prevent the unnatural names of associated specific geographical location for certain products. Okay. Next one is DO declaration of trips and public health. We know that trips. In first slide we will discuss that. Okay. Doha Declaration adopt to the fourth ministerial conference of the World Trade Organization in 2001 reorganized the need of the flexibility in that implementation of the trips means transporting of the goods and regulations etc. To the protect the public health, it allows the measure of the protect public health and extension the protection of geographical indication. It's a main work of for declaration on trips and public health. Next slide is topic is geographical indication of goods resignation and protection act in India, mentioned in India. In India, geographical indication of the food resignation on protection. The act provides the resignation and protection of the geographical indication related to goods only. It is related to only goods in India. Appellations of the origin in this United States. What is that? In United States, alphabets of the origin of agriculture products and protected under the Agriculture Marketing Act 1947. Important part. It will based on the Agriculture Marketing Act. It is amended in 1946 and the Federal Food, Drugs and Cosmetic Acts also implemented in America, United States of America. Last conclusion, it's important to note that the protection of the regulation of the geographical indication can vary widely between the countries. And international agreement play a crucial role in establishment of a common standard of such protections. Crucial role. It will maintain the crucial role. Additionally, specific industries may have their own regulation and standards to protecting geographical indications related to their products. Okay, there are set of rules and regulation of some companies. Okay, thank you. Let's discuss in next video about more contents. Okay.